What's going on, boys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another one here at the J&A Life. It's your boy Jerry. So today, guys, we're doing something a little different. We're gonna run up the road here and try to pull this subframe off of Acura Integra. This is gonna be for my hatchback build, the turbo build hatchback that I have. It's gonna be K24 on boost, but in order to do that, we need a subframe, boys. If you know, you know. So this Integra has been a donor to me for my last two projects. The rear disc brakes off of it. It's first I want to put it out the way. Shout out to my brother-in-law Billy. He's the one that has gifted me these parts, but the rear disc brake conversion off of it went on my K20 Type R coupe Chosen. Those of you that follow the channel, you know you're pretty familiar with Chosen. And if you're new to the channel, welcome. Hit that subscribe button. But yeah, guys, and now we're going back to this Integra to take some more body parts off of it. Well, not body parts, but more parts. Like I said earlier, we're going to get the subframe off of it. So if I'm sounding a little jittery, guys, it's because it's freezing butts cold here in VA. And don't got my heat running in here. I just ran in here to gather up a few tools. So I'm just going to do that real quick, gather up a few tools, jack, sockets, and so forth, because I already got the impact and the infinity. And then a couple ratchets and so on, and then I'm gonna go by and scoop my homeboy Nestor up. You guys probably seen Nestor in some of my shorts. It's a buddy of mine. He's only 17. He bought an Integra. It was B20 swapped, automatic, blown up. I think it was only running on like 2 or 3 cylinders, and he rebuilt it all himself. Scat rods, I believe. I think J pistons or some kind of pistons. Could be wrong on that, but I'll get y'all the right pistons on that later. But yeah, we're gonna go scoop Nestor up, and then we're gonna go by and grab this subframe, boys. So hope you're enjoying the video so far of me running my mouth. But smash that like, and if you're not subscribed, hit that subscribe, boys. It's about to get good. All right, boys, so we're here at my boy Nestor's house. Y'all see the Integra right there. But yeah, guys, we're getting ready to shoot over here and yoke off this subframe. We went over there earlier, and it's kind of a good thing that we forgot certain tools, because I forgot to get y'all some content. So and we already started to kind of break some of the bolts loose holding up the subframe. So this shouldn't take us very long, guys. You see Nestor there grabbing some tools up. But yeah, boys, be back with y'all. All right, boys, we're here. We're back here at the Integra, and just wanted to show y'all the bolts that I started to break loose, which is them right there. Got some on the ground here. And yeah, guys, got a little bit of rust here, but nothing too bad. Yeah, guys, that's what we're working with today. I like butter. My man, he was able to just muscle through it, boys.
I'm done. This thing will be out like 5 minutes.
We've literally only been here, guys, about what, about 10?
I'm literally, not even.
Not even. See, boys, I need to give myself tools like my homeboy guy here. I ain't even got that for, bro. Look at that shit. Work like a dream.
Investment.
Everything's been loose, guys. Literally.
I like butter.
That's gonna free up the front lower control arm, guys. Nestor's already got the other side done, so we're going to take this whole subframe with the rack on it and the front lower control arms, and yeah, That's what we doing today, boys. Nestor's just zooming through all this, boys. Huh?
We gotta take this off right here.
Let me see.
That forward. Control.
Yeah, I'll get the let me get the. Y'all see Nestor yoking out what he needs. He needs a climate control.
Done broken this switch right here. Oh,
It's broke?
this one's broken too.
No way. Hey, Jason. Damn. That little joint ain't no joke.
Hell yeah. Like butter.
Should be ready to just lower. Check it out.
Damn. Yeah, that thing might be a little tight.
Tight. She coming. She coming.
All right, it's off the jack now.
Top the jack.
I was gonna say these lines.
There it went.
Yep.
There it went, brother. My man. All right, guys, you see it? Got her done. Thanks to my homeboy Nestor. Came out today, helped the brother out. And yeah, didn't take much time at all. Having a good helping hand, so. We about to load this bitch up, boys, and head to the crib. All right, boys, so there you have it. We all loaded up with the subframe. Got all our tools back. I done dropped my buddy Nestor off at home. He got him a couple little things off of the Integra that he needed. Yeah, guys, we got our subframe for the EK hatch boost project. So no more worries about that. We've got all the main things for this build, boys, as far as engine, transmission, and subframe. Now everything else we need is stuff that I will have to purchase offline, and I'm not going to get into investing money into that build just yet until I'm completely done with the coupe. So we've yet still have to replace the front seats in the coupe. I'm gonna do something with the rear seats, and gonna throw a new carpet in there after this paint job, and that'll be it for that build. Man, my mustache is crazy, guys. Ain't been trying to trim nothing up. But yeah, boys, so like I said, that'll do it for this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Didn't have a whole lot of good content. It's kind of hard, you know, when we both was digging in, we both was unbolting shit, so we can get it done. It's stupid cold, as y'all can see. I'm in my Carhartt coveralls, but yeah, guys, this is gonna do it for this video. Hit that subscribe button, because we got a whole lot more content coming. Hit that like button, because I know you enjoyed the video. And hey, guess what? If you didn't enjoy it, hit the dislike button. I don't care. It helps either way. And yeah, guys, like I always say, I love you all. God bless you all. And until the next one, boys, we out.